Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change Shopify favicon. Let's get started. So let's first see what our favicon looks like. So let's click on this eye icon right here beside our online store. And as you can see, this will load our site. So my site right here already have this sort of a global icon. Now if we want to actually change that, what we can do is we can head over in here on our themes, click on customize right here. And then once you have done that, it will open the Shopify editor. Now on the Shopify editor that we have, we should be able to see this theme settings right here. So this is the second button. So click on this. And in here, you can see the logo. Now you can just choose a logo that you want. But since we're actually talking about the favicon, you can scroll down and you can see this one. Click on select image right here. And then just select the image that you want as your favicon. So for me, for example, I'll just use this one. Then click on done. Then as you can see, it will upload this image. Now next thing you need to do is click on save right here. And then once you have done that, it will save your progress. Now let's head back. And then let's refresh the store right here. Now it will take some time for it to load, but as you can see, it has changed the favicon that we have on our store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.